Hey guys, it's your girl Brianna here. Welcome back to my channel. Thank you guys so much for tuning in. It's been a little while since I posted a nail video, so that is what I am giving today. I think most of it is pretty self-explanatory. I will link all of the products that I use down below. This video does not actually show the application of the Gel X. Somehow that footage got lost. But if you are wondering, the color that I used under the nail to adhere them is the color Sasha and the color Extend Gel. I love Sasha. I think she's such a pretty nude. It's a darker nude. I think it goes really well with darker skin. So that is what I am using. I really wanted a big contrast between the reflective glitter and the nail plate, so I decided to make all of the nails matte. I love the way that they turned out. I just did kind of random designs on each nail, but this will show you the full process. As always, if you have any questions, please just hit me up in that comment section below. As you guys know, I pretty much do Apres Gel X or Kira Sky Jelly Tips exclusively. Those are my two favorite brands to do this in. But if there are any other brands that you are interested in and you want me to test, please also comment that below. I love talking to you guys and responding to everyone. Well, everyone that's respectful, because there are a few of you. Tried a little bit, but please, if you have anything, hit me up in those comments below. Don't forget to like and subscribe. Have an awesome day.
I got my head out the sunroof. I'm blasting our favorite tunes. I only got one thing on my mind. You got me stuck on the thought of you. You're making me feel brand new. You're more than a sunshine in my eyes. You got those pretty eyes in your head. You know it. You got me dancing in my bed, so let me show it. You are exactly what I want. Kinda cool and kinda not. Wanna give myself to you. Yeah, we're driving down the freeway at night. I only got one thing in the back of my mind. I'm feeling like this might be my time to shine with you, with you, with you. I got my head out the sunroof. I'm blasting our favorite tunes. I only got one thing on my mind. You got me stuck on the thought of you. You're making me feel brand new. You're more than a sunshine in my eyes. I got my head out the sunroof. You got me stuck on the thought of you. Yeah, we're driving down the freeway at night. I only got one thing in the back of my mind. I'm feeling like this might be my time to shine with you, with you, with you. I got my head out the sunroof. I'm blasting our favorite tunes. I only got one thing on my mind. You got me stuck on the thought of you. You're making me feel brand new. You're more than a sunshine in my eyes. La da la da la 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 da 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 dee da da la 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 da la da la 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 da la I put myself on the line and I gave you a piece of my time, and you're making me feel so stupid. You never made it to a show, 'cause you're so busy, I know. take it or leave it. I try to play it all cool, never expecting too much out of you, but now I need you to meet me in the middle. Don't wanna make no mistake, and I'm trying to keep my priorities straight, so don't blow this, baby, it should be simple. Hey, why don't you take it or leave it? Yeah, I might want it, don't need it. I should run, 'cause every time I give an inch, you won't commit. Give me some conversation, baby, pick up the phone. I really think that you should take it or leave it, take it or leave it. Oh, take it or leave it, take it or leave it, take it or leave it, take it or leave it.